Top 10 Marketing Strategies for Drywall POP Contractors. Number 1. Upload photographs of your finished walls to Instagram, Google Business, and Pinterest. Number 2. Collaborate with painters, renovation companies, and interior designers. Number 3. List your services on websites like house.com. Number 4. Create a client database and communicate with them on WhatsApp and social media on a frequent basis. Number 5. Optimize your website's local SEO and obtain authentic Google business reviews. Number 6. Attend networking events and real estate exhibits in your area. Number 7. Provide existing clients with maintenance and insurance packages. Number 8. Create tailored Facebook advertising to target local contractors. Number 9. Set up Google searches for metro areas and optimize with an expert. Number 10. Set up retargeting advertisements on Facebook and Google Display. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.